Hello, my name's Martin Fish and today I want to have a look at a couple of the mowers in the Cobra range. Both of these are the MX460s. This one here is the SPC powered by a Cobra engine, and this one here is the SPH powered by this Honda engine. But other than that, all the features are the same, and they're both what we call a 3-in-1, and that means they've got 3 modes of mowing. We can collect the grass in the box at the back, we can mulch mow, or we can side discharge, and you can very easily change from one mowing method to the other in just a matter of seconds. So what we'll do, we'll start with the Cobra engine mower and just talk a little bit about the mowing that we've set it up to do. Both mowers have a 460mm or 18-inch cut, and what we're going to look at this one on the Cobra is the mulch plug in the back. And when you get the mower, it comes with the mulch plug in there, and if I just click that out, it comes out very easily. Just squeeze the handle like that. How that works is it blocks the chute here where the grass would normally be thrown out into the grass collection box. So to mulch, you would put that in there, blocks it. The grass goes round and round in the deck, chops it very finely, blows it down into the cover of grass where it rots away very quickly, feeding your lawn, and you get a wonderful green, lush finish to the grass when you've been mowing that way. The other way that we've got this one set up here is we've got the side discharge. Now, if we're just mowing ordinarily with the mulch plug-in, that flap would be down like that, so the grass is contained within the deck. But if we want to cut some longer grass where we need to throw the grass out of the mower, we can lift this flap here. It just simply hooks into place and the flap then holds it firmly into position. So when we're cutting the grass, it can't go out the back, it can only go out this side chute here, and it blows it out into rows. So this is ideal if you've got orchards or longer grass, wildflower meadows that you're cutting down at the end of the season. You can set the mower nice and high and use this one. While we're down here, we've got the height of cut adjuster on it, 6 different positions. When it's fully down, it's 25mm, and when we take it to the top, it's at 75mm, so which is ideal when you're cutting the longer grass with the side discharge. Onto the Honda mower, it's got exactly the same features. When the mower comes to you, it will have the mulch plug in there, which I'm going to take out, so that can be stored. And then if you want to collect the grass, it's got this large collection bag here, and that just simply hooks onto the back of the mower, and this flap holds that then into place. And then when you're cutting the grass, it's thrown back into here so you can collect it. And it also has a little indicator flap there that when that stops flapping, that tells you that the box is full and you can empty it onto your compost heap. Starting is very simple. Before I do, I want to take off the side discharge because we're going to start by doing some mulch mowing, so I'll just pop that there. With this one, very simple. We've got a primer button at the front there, we've put the fuel in, we've put the oil in, so we would just give that 2 or 3 pushes just to prime the carburettor. We've got 2 handles here, one we hold in, we have to hold that in to start the mower, and as soon as we let go that stops. The handle at the back is the self-propelled one that moves the mower forward. And what I'm also going to do is just set the height of cut a little bit lower for mowing, not too close, we're going to mulch mow, so we just want to take the top off. So we've primed it, pull the lever in, and then a couple of pulls. This has never been started before, by the way, so once they've been started a few times, it's much easier. So there you see, very easy to use, and of course to stop it we just release all the handles, stops the blade and the self-propulsion, and it's made a really good job of mulching on the lawn here. So what I'm going to do now is put the side discharge chute back in, and we'll have a go on some slightly longer grass. So there you can see it makes an excellent job with the side discharge, it mulches, and of course you can put the grass collection box on this. So this is the MX460 with the Cobra engine, great value for money. So what we're going to do now is pop back onto the other lawn and have a look at the Honda version. So here we have the version with the Honda engine on it, and we're going to do a little bit of mowing. I'm going to use the grass collector on this, so I've already taken out the mulch plug and we've fitted on the box here that just hooks on the back. Now, starting with this is very easy. This is the Honda Easy Start. It's automatic choke, so literally all I have to do is to hold back the lever here and pull the recoil and it will start. This is a premium engine, really quiet, powerful engine. So let's give it a go and do some mowing. Again, just release the handles and it stops. And as you can see, it's made a really good job of cutting the grass nice and fine there. And this holds an awful lot of grass cuttings. So there we have it. Both mowers in the MX460 range. We've got the Cobra one and we've got the Honda one. They are absolutely fantastic at cutting the grass in the 3 different ways. And if you're particularly looking for a mower that's powered by a Honda engine, this one is exceptional value for money. For more information on the Cobra range and for details of lawn care and the lawn care calendar, go to cobragarden.co.uk.